this hat and then your hat. This hat. I will wear this hat and then
Okay.
yours.
Okay.
This is yours?
Yep.
Why?
I got lots of hats.
Yeah, what are your hats?
Those are all my hats. You gonna wear your... What else are you gonna wear?
The gloves. I get more gloves like this. Oh, these are ones I will wear it. I need these. I need these.
You need them? Okay.
And my headphones. These headphones too. I need these headphones.
Okay, you can wear those too.
How do you put them in your ear?
I think you just figured it out.
Yep. And then I'm going to tonight talking to Aunt Yow.
Okay. You talk to Auntie Al.
I know where my head goes. Every day you are gone.
Okay.
And I don't talk to Aunt Yow. I'm going to pretend you are gone.
Okay.
Hi, Aunt Yow. You went up on me.
She hung up on you?
On my head going.
Maybe it was an accident.
It's alright. I don't need to call her. We're not going to Thomas this.
Okay.
We don't buckle up your lawn. We don't a little clip. We want a little clip.
Okay. You gonna buckle up for safety?
Yeah. You too.
Okay, I'll buckle up.
We're going camping.
Camping?
Yep.
Where you want to camp at?
We got a trailer.
A trailer? Okay.
We got a trailer, the door. That's that trailer we have. We need camping. Go. My baby pooped.
Really?
Yeah,
You better take care of your baby then.
I need candy shirt because here's a boogie wipes.
That's the boogie wipes?
Yeah, I need them because my baby pooped.
Okay. Let me know when you're done.
Okay, then my baby need to go pee.
Really?
Huh. There's one more left. How do I wrote it. Blow the boogie wipes. Did you get the boogie wipe out?
Yeah, I'll help you.
I can't get out.
Okay, let me help you.
You can.
Look at this. Watch this.
Wow. My baby pooped. My baby that pooped it. My baby that pooped it. My baby that pooped it. I got 2 of them.
All right.
I need one little one. My baby that pooped it.
Okay.
Going to be 10 one.
Okay.
So I need to get her out and change her.